how to change text color in Visual Studio Code. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you how you will be able to change the text color of your greeting text or any text that you add in your HTML code. For example, over here I have a very simple HTML code over here that simply says hello user. So to be able to change the color of hello user, because the default if you open this will be color black. To change this, go to your CSS file and look for the specific block where it specifically mentions about the greeting class, the greeting text over here. So this is our greeting text block over here. So you're simply going to add the code color, semicolon or colon, and then the specific code of the color that you want. Now you can also use this, you can simply click this and then you can change it around, which makes it easier as well. This will automatically appear. So let's say I want to change it to like this color over here. So let's simply run this. Let me dispose of the server, go live, and we will be able to see that the color is now a different color, just like that. So if we try it again, let's close the server, go for a different color. Maybe let's go with red again. Then click on go live. And this one's the wrong one. Let's go back. Index. Then go live again. Just like this. And now as you can see, the color is color red. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.